The Continental Army faced a hidden enemy, empty arsenals. Through smuggling, sacrifice, and ingenuity, the patriots found the arms to fight. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. The Continental Army wasn't just fighting Britain, it was fighting scarcity. Every uniform, gun, and cannon had to be made from scratch. Uniforms were sewn by women at home, tailors in towns, and contractors working for Congress, often from wool spun locally. Early soldiers wore whatever they had: coats, hunting shirts, patched trousers, until standardized blue uniforms slowly appeared. Blacksmiths and gunsmiths forged muskets, repaired broken weapons, and reworked captured British arms to keep soldiers fighting. Cannons came from iron foundries, some homemade, others captured at places like Fort Ticonderoga and hauled hundreds of miles. Gunpowder was scarce. Colonists scraped saltpeter from barns, cast lead balls by hand, and recycled metal constantly. Shipyards built warships and privateers. Sailmakers, ropewalks, and carpenters turned raw materials into naval power. The revolution wasn't won by factories, but by farmers, women, artisans, and laborers who built a war effort from nothing.